In front of me is Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by downloading your new defaults. I will go with Firefox browser. Then go into Devices Settings and scroll down to Access Apps. Following that, select Default Apps and click on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, click on your new downloaded one to apply it and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!